Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix controller input lag or input delay on Madden NFL 25. So without further ado, let's get started. So all you need to do here is to go on settings, then go to, as you can see here, graphics. And on graphics, what I suggest to do here is windowed mode. Windows mode should be not borderless windowed, not windowed, but full screen. I'm now just recording videos, so for me it's more convenient, but here it should be full screen. And then make sure to lock your frame rate to as you can see here, to 60. And then make sure your VSync is on. And then once you do that, then you should get no input controller delay or lag or whatever, right? So make sure to apply these three settings and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.